my channel. So today we are making pancakes, and yeah. So before we start, okay, because of my hair, I will wear a bonnet. So my hair entered. Don't mind the size of this bonnet because it's really big at my head. So we're gonna crack our eggs, and yeah, this is our little cute egg. Oh, it's almost the same skin color as me. I'm sorry, but I don't think I can be able to see the process go through because I don't know how to do that. So we got our eggs. So it's time to mix. And transfer into the bowl. This is, oh my gosh, this water. This is the bowl I'm making with. I think I need to put this thing down because I'm not saying anything. Okay. I don't know why it's not as sweet as inside this bowl. It's so small. Put this up at the side first of all. Because we don't have milk, liquid milk, then down. We don't have liquid milk, so I can big sachet. I don't think I'm using the tray, but I tried it. Water. Bring back our bowl. Now we have our milk. And I don't have a mixer, so we're gonna use this fork. Oh, true. Gonna mix some sauce. Then next up is our sugar. 1/8 cup of sugar. I think that's much. And then our pepper. Already prepped everything, like just add some onions. Mixture. I need to add salt. So I'm gonna put salt now. It doesn't need very little salt. I need more. Cause like the flavor. This salt is not my problem. So now let's go to have flour. We're using 3 cups of flour. Yeah, let's see. Right. I'm gonna start from here in case you're confused. Then I keep looking like, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna mix that for now. cups. You see? Look at dirt in this thing. Alright, thank you. See if I not see it. This is what you guys should see. Go to the market sites like. But this time you guys are going to see the process go through. I didn't want to have so it told me that thick. Oh, sorry, I think this is not going to be thick anymore. Oh my gosh. Well, I don't think I can do it. Okay, I think I know what to do. Hey, now you can see. Wait, okay. And this is very, very thick. We need more water. I don't think I should use cold water, but I would use this. It's going to and normally, people normally add vanilla, and I don't have vanilla. I have strawberries, and it's at least strawberry. So I want to see what happens. It's a strawberry amazing. Just very little. We're not doing anything much. Very, very little. See? That's all. I don't have color in this. Trust me, I probably color. So I'm gonna mix this all up. I think this is enough. I'll go with fry pan and everything because it is mixed. I don't think it's rich because like we're 4 and 3 of us, it's a lot. So I mean probably we can do it's a very starting. Well, that's it. I feel like, oh my gosh. Where's the hair? Oh my god. I'm hungry. I don't know. It's very cool actually. Her pen gives this power. I wouldn't. Oh yeah. But I don't forget it. Let's put on our spatula. Oh my gosh, look at it. Yeah, fry it up. It's not in perfect shape, but it's good. So now that's on fire, I need like carrots. Kind of messed up a little bit. I'm not gonna try it. I'm let them know. And I use 1/8 for my sugar. Yeah. And if like okay. Maybe like confused like oh my gosh I don't know like the amount with everything. Tell me that. I'll probably put it on the screen, but like, let me see what I know. 3 cups of flour, 1/8 cup of sugar. So I'm just gonna taste it. See? Oh my gosh, it's raining. It's raining. See, it's raining. I know it's raining. I don't know if it's my status. Oh my gosh, I'm getting bored. I'm getting bored. Be fast. No. My pancake is boiled. It's all boiled. Don't worry, we still have a lot to go through. I'll taste it first. Then I'll know if I need any adjustments of that one. I'm going to put this in on one pancake first before we continue because it doesn't even smell that. It smells so good. It tastes like that. Like I'm looking at like, hey guys, we got a popcorn. Story time! But like, kind of taste this. Until it's all the ingredient. Like I'll add more mix. Don't have mix as well. Really have friends like that. Finally, what happened? Oh my god, look at me go forward. Oh my god, everything goes like this. But don't worry. Let's put this. Okay. And let's go. Put milk in. I need milk. No milk. Definitely need more sugar. I don't know if I'm going to do this before. OMG, I'm so sorry. I totally forgot I was making a video and I baked sorry, is that baking? I don't know. I should have prepared everything. I made another batch because there was not enough, but like I forgot to record and like snap or do anything, and I ate everything. Ended up being okay, but I don't think my method of making everything is proper because it's okay, but it was actually nice, but it wasn't like superb. I'll give it a 80%, 80 over 10 if I should say. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you reach here, I am very, very much grateful. Drop this sticker and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.